Okay, so we are going to download Ollama for our computer system. So Ollama.com, download Windows. Again, pretty easy going. You know, to click on Windows and download. Now I've already downloaded this, so it's kind of a thing. I've already got it set up. It takes a while for it to do its thing, so just kind of take a look at it. But we'll go ahead and double click on Ollama setup, get you up and running. So we're going to just go ahead and click on install and let it go from there. I'm going to go ahead and minimize that. This will go a little bit quicker than anything LLM. This isn't as pretty. It doesn't have the interface. It has command line. And we're going to just play in the command line on this one. Now note, we're going to be doing a lot of the same kinds of files and programs and everything else to make it kind of work. But it's fun. And it is a cute little llama logo, which is, there it is. Don't get better than that. I know this is kind of entertaining, just sitting here watching a little bar move. But again, this is a whole lot quicker than the other one. So kind of fun to make it work. And again, we're going to use the stripped down version on this thing. You can do an open UI for this thing if you wanted to do it that way. Definitely to make it go. And then we'll go ahead and minimize you. So that should be the whole install process. Okay, so we want to go in and we've got everything installed. Now we just want to go into PowerShell. Right? I'm just going to run everything as an administrator just because it makes it easy on me. So we've got this thing all set up. So what we want to do is we want to set up our pull. So we have Ollama. So if we go Ollama version, it should give us a version number. Ollama help with 2 dashes is help. Will give you all the commands that you're going to do. We're going to actually be playing around with all this to kind of pull. So what we're going to do, we're going to set everything up first. So we're going to go Ollama. We're going to pull our first model here. And we're just going to go Ollama 3.2. It's the latest version. It will pull the manifest. It will download, do everything you want it to do. Make sure that everything is installed correctly, and then we should be good to go. And then go ahead and make sure that the distribution is good to go. Now we want to run it. So we want to go Ollama run, and then we want to tell the model we want to run. So we can have more than one version, right? We can have more than one model here. We can tell what version to run. And then we can say, hey, send a message. We can go, hello, how are you today? So we are in the command line on this thing, and it's working. It's doing exactly what we want it to do. But remember, we need to pull it once it's been installed, and then we need to go ahead and run whatever particular model we want to run. Now, remember, my favorite first question is, what APIs are available to me today? It should give me a long list of stuff that we can actually go ahead and play around with. Now, we did anything LLM have a much smaller list of available APIs. This one says, oh, hey, we've got a bunch of things here that you can actually go ahead and play around with. And we will. We just may need to make an account, get a token, and do all the other things that we're going to do. But that's essentially how to get Ollama working on your system. And that's it. Just make sure that you can get a help, you can get a version, and you can get a list of the APIs you want to play with. And we may go ahead and play around with some social media. We may go ahead and play around with some Reddit, Steam, Twitch. We have a lot of things that are available to us here in Ollama. And this is what kind of makes this fun as we're digging through this. It will tell you all the things that we've got going on here. So we have our 2 LLMs. We have anything LLM. We have Ollama running on the same box, and we should be good to go. So we have our playground. We're all set. We're on a virtual machine. We are then just going to go ahead and carry on and go into what we want to go here. This is it. This is our whole thing right here. So let's go have some fun.